That's a helicopter. I'm here at the HEB gym right now. And security just pulled up. That's how they pull up on you. Like, what the fuck are you doing here? You see? Like, I'm right here. Shit. I just pulled this out to get the helicopter. As you see, they look like they kind of spied out. And then they just ducked off, right? I'm just here, I got my phone out, and all their security showing up at the same time. You know, these people, shit, like, all up on me, like, anyways, I might not even be here right now, because I'm not really feeling it.